Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I really thought about how much when I was little I would be literally in love with these singers and pop stars. So I thought it would be really cool if I created a look that is basically like if I could use people to like create it, like a Saweetie type sizzle look, and I am going to be doing like a purple type of smoky eye pop star look. So literally always fucking something. So I am starting off with the Pore Professional Corrector. I'm sorry, just the Pore Professional Matte Rescue. Because I am oily, especially in the summertime. Next, I'm going to be going in. I'm going to wait like a little bit. And I'm going to put my foundation on. Actually, no, I'm going to do my eyebrows. You guys may be wondering why I'm sitting on the floor. And that's because I'm going through a roommate breakup. And she took all her chairs, which is fine, you know. But I've been waiting for all her stuff to move out so I can just furnish my home. Because we didn't leave off on the best terms, and I don't trust my new stuff to be in this house because, like, you know, some people are just like really petty and childish. I really don't want anything to happen to my new stuff because I will really lose my shit. So anyways, I'm going to do my brows. I got the Benefit Concealer in shade 10. This is what they look like. Actually really cute. It looks like a pencil. At first I was like, this is a little childish, but I like it. It's really cute, and I really like how it looks on my skin. So fancy. So I'm using this Tarte Full Coverage Foundation in shade Deep Golden. Some fucking Oh, I'm going to contour. I'm sorry, not contour. I'm not gonna hide, I'm sorry. Gosh, I'm not gonna hide anything because I'm beautiful. I'm going to put concealer under my eyes to brighten up my eye. I'm starting from the corner of my eye and I am dabbing it over. I'm going to use my sponge. It's a little damp still. And I'm just gonna tap it. You ain't never been with a chick this bad. Morphe. It's the Bronzer by Morphe. It's a bronzer contour, and it is powder. Ooh. This is what it looks like. Thank you. It's really cute.
That camera can't compare to how this feels in my life.
Next, I'm going to be applying blush. I forgot about it. And I'm going to be using the Morphe blush palette. And it's actually called the Warm Master Blush Palette. provocative. I'm going to be using the Urban Decay Eye Primer Potion. Spanties. Spanties.